jump straight into it. The first thing that you're going to need is some gloves. You can use any gloves, disposable gloves, doesn't matter. I prefer to use gloves. Some people don't use gloves, they get the dye on their hand, but I just don't feel like dealing with having stained hands right now. So I'm gonna use some disposable gloves. Also, you're gonna need a cap, a couple combs, maybe preferably your favorite comb. I got a towel sitting here, and I also have the color that I'm going to be dyeing my hair, which is Ginger from Adore. This is color 30, and this is a semi-permanent dye. It is vegan. It is 100% vegan and cruelty-free. So I'm just gonna jump straight into this video and we gonna get it cracking. So let me put on my gloves. So the real reason why I'm dyeing my hair is because I feel like I'm getting a little tired of the blonde, and also like I have to tape my hair around here, around the edges, because my edges grow so fast. And I don't know if you guys can see, like right there, it looks like I'm bald right there. Like, do you see it? Like, let me come up close. That little spot, it looks like I'm bald, but I'm not bald, guys. I'm not. See, like it looks like I'm bald there, and I'm guessing, and it's because like you can't see any blonde there because my black hair is starting to grow back. So inside of there where it looks bald is actually still blonde, and the black is just not coming in. So I'm gonna dye my hair to kind of like give it a pop of color, and so my edges can stop looking like I'm bald. So yeah, and I just want to try a new color. I want to try something new. I like trying new things, so I'm just gonna try to dye my hair ginger. We'll see how this comes out. Before I jump straight into this video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos from me, and make sure you like and share this video. So I'm not gonna hold you guys up anymore. Let's jump straight into this video. And guys, I kind of like the idea of having like two-tone hair, like the black at the bottom and the color at the top as my hair grows. I think it looks cute. Okay guys, I am all done applying that to my hair. Now I'm just gonna like take one of my gloves off, and I'm gonna take a comb and comb my hair out just a little bit, just so I make sure that it's taking the dye and getting all over my head. So yeah. done with combing it out. It looks like I got everything. And guys, like, can you already see, like, right here where I was telling you I look kind of bald? It kind of looks like it's filled in a little bit more already. So I'm going to put on my shower cap now, and I'm gonna let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. And after that, I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it turned out. Let's go. So it's been about 15 minutes. I am going to head to the shower and wash my hair. I'm also gonna go ahead and take a shower while I wash my hair. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely think it came out great. My hair took really well to this dye. Like, it actually looks very ginger. Look at that, guys, for real. I'm gonna show you guys one more time what I use. So if you guys want to try this color, go out to your local beauty supply. So I think this color did come out good. I think it looks good on my skin tone. I think it looks good on my TWA. If you don't know what TWA, it means teeny weeny afro. And I like it, I really do. I did a little quick little beats, nothing dramatic, nothing too much. I was gonna dye my eyebrows the same exact color, but I was like, no, let me see how the color looks on me before I go and like bleaching my eyebrows and changing my eyebrows to a different color. So yeah, this is the look. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys so you guys can see. And my hair is curling up and growing so well. And I think I'm actually gonna let my hair grow a little bit because I'm actually missing braids. I like to be different and transparent about things and change up my style every now and then. Don't get me wrong, I absolutely love my short hair. I wouldn't be bald or having a teeny weeny afro or an afro if I did not like my hair being short. So don't ever get it twisted. And I think this wraps up this video. If you guys like these type of videos where I change my hair color, let me know what color you think I should do next. I'm probably gonna keep this in for a couple weeks, but I'm like really down to try some other colors. Like I said, I really think this color fits my face. I like how it has the black under it. It kind of like brings it out. And yeah, I do. Like, I really do like this color. I think I'm gonna keep it for a couple weeks. I didn't expect for it to come out this cute. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you guys think. If y'all think I should try any more colors. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap up this video, guys. I hope this video was fun for you guys. I hope you liked this video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you turn on the notification ringer bell so you're not missing any more videos from me. And make sure you comment, like, and share. Don't forget to share this video. Help your girl out. Your girl need a couple shares, you know? Your girl needs some shares. So yeah, again, I will see you guys in my next video. As I always say, peace out.